Thank you very much for the nice, kind words from the MC. And you know, I was standing there at the back and looking everybody dancing and enjoying themselves. Some people are very skeptical about this whole thing, what's happening here. I've seen them. They're standing like this with big eyes and wondering what's happening. So watch them. You'll see the end of the weekend, everybody will dance and enjoy themselves. And I was just thinking another thing. We sang the song of free enterprise. Now, what you've seen in here tonight is free enterprise living. Because everybody here started their own business. Everybody who started their own business, put up your hand. Put up your hand. Everybody who started their own business. Yes, that's free enterprise. So congratulations. You are part of the celebrations. Right, we got to get going. And my name is Hansie Cronje. I'm from Cape Town, a beautiful Cape Town in South Africa. And we've been doing this business for quite some time, me and my family. And I've got a wonderful colleague here with me. She's going to share also very exciting stuff and wisdom. Nelly Dumeni, all the way from Namibia. They really paid a big price, right, to be here. So it's my privilege to first share with you a few ideas and things specifically on attitude. I want to start where we started when we look at the business the very first time. I was full-time in the ministry as a pastor, and I enjoyed tremendously what I was doing, but we struggled financially. Anybody here know what I'm talking about when I say you struggle financially? Put up your hand. Anybody here who know what I'm talking about? Financial struggles, right? We were struggling financially, and we thought that things will never change for us. We thought we're going to go this route forever and ever. We didn't see the light in the tunnel. And what happened is I started to borrow money from the bank. And you know what happens when you borrow money from the bank? You have to pay it back with interest. So that was not a good idea at all. You just get deeper and deeper into trouble. So what happened then, we were really praying for a way out of this. And one day, a couple talked to us, Mike and Renee, and they said to us, listen, you must really look seriously at this business opportunity, because you can keep on doing what you're doing, but on a part-time basis, you can change your life and your family's life financially. You've got to think long-term about it. So we had a serious look, and we started the business, but still very much holding back. So we realized if we can just take a small step of faith and just start thinking differently and change our attitude about the future, there's maybe a possibility here. So you don't have to make a big jump in the beginning. Just have a little bit of faith, step a little bit forward and say, listen, let me give it a chance to see how it's going to work for me. You know, attitude is a very powerful thing. Very powerful. It helps you to see things in a total different perspective. And I love the story of this giant and this young boy. Amazing story. And this giant was in the military. He had all the military gear, and he was equipped, and it was well trained and everything. And he challenged the people on the other side and say, send out somebody to come and fight me. But all the soldiers were so afraid. They said, he's too big to fight. We cannot. And they were trembling with fear. Then came along this young boy, visiting his brothers there, fighting. And he looked at this giant, and he said, what's wrong? They say, no, he's too big to fight. They told him. This young boy was not military trained. He was herding sheep. And he came along and he looked at this big giant, and he bent down and he took a small stone and he had one slingshot. And he took that slingshot and he killed the giant in one blow, because he said, in faith, he's too big to miss. So you see, it all depends how you look at it and where you are going. So attitude is a very powerful thing. So what is attitude? We talk about it all the time. So what is attitude really? Attitude is how we feel inside about things and people. But you know where the feelings start? It starts with your thoughts. So if you think negatively about people or things, you will feel the same way. If you think positively about people or things, you will feel also the same way, positive. And then what happens, your feelings will determine your actions. So the way you're going to act is because of your thoughts and your feelings inside of you. And this is very, very powerful. Because you can meet people and you can actually, within a few minutes, read their attitude, whether they are highly negative or highly positive. So we're going to have a fantastic session very, very soon, where my colleague here from Namibia is going to share a lot of wisdom on you on how to build on that attitude on a daily basis. She's got a lot of wisdom there, and you really got to make notes. But you know, I just want to mention how a positive attitude have helped us to take our business to a different dimensions. I'll give you one example. We were brand new in the business. There was a lot of small babies in the home. Anybody know what I'm talking about? You don't have much time for anything, and you know, you don't get enough sleep and all these kind of things. And we were actually starting the business, but we didn't have much time to do it. And then we sponsored a fantastic couple, and they were ready. They didn't have babies in the home. They were ready to move, and they started to move. And then they became directors before us. Now, in this business, they say the business is structured in a way that you can pass your upline, and that's true. So the uplines better watch. Your downlines is coming for you. So what happened then, they passed us, they became directors, and we were not yet directors. And I immediately felt negative about it. I said, you know what, this business is not what it seems to be. I don't think this is for me. And I was struggling with that negative thoughts. And then I look at it very, very seriously, and I prayed about it, and I said, you know what? Let me think positive about it. Let me think long-term about this business. So I thought about it, well, let's see what's going to happen in the future. And we made a decision positively that we're really going to give it a go. And we jumped into the business, and we started working. And then we became directors. And this downline couple was also directors. And then the next thing what happened, we became Sapphire directors with the help of these couple in the downline. And we were invited to our first World Team Convention in the United States of America. So you see, watch out how you look at your downline, how you look at your business. So just think for a moment, if we have let that the negative attitude and thoughts would take us away from the business, where would we be today? And we keep on going, and we were so excited, and we keep going, and we actually went on to President's Team Member. So you see, what you think, your thoughts, and how you feel about it feeds your actions. So watch out what you think, and watch out how you feel, because it's going to take you places. So, watch over your thoughts, think positively, and then you will feel positive. And you will act positive. And it will bring bigger success in your life. So folks, my advice to you tonight is, listen very closely to what Nelly is going to share with you, how you can really build on your attitude every day, because make your attitude your ally and not your enemy. Let your attitude work for you in a positive direction. Thank you very much. Over to Nelly.
Wow, 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 wow. Good evening, Eagles. Wow. Free Enterprise. Greetings from all the way from Namibia. As you have heard, my name is Nelly Dumeni. What an honor and privilege to share the stage with P.T. Hansi. I'm rubbing off the excitement and the success. I am brand new in this business and very excited. I feel brand new, and that is what it is. Yes, what a session on attitude. And attitude is what determines everything. When I came in this business, I had such a negative attitude about anything and everything that I would even find myself wondering, why am I not feeling well? I have to scratch and say, oh, it's because so-and-so did not greet me. What kind of stinging attitude is that? And then when you realize that attitude cannot come without personal development. And to me, personal development is just personal growth. And I want us, even as we start, to just ask a quick question. I want you to ask your neighbor, because I know they will have an answer for you. Just ask them, when will my life change? Ask your neighbor. When will my life change? Neighbor, answer them. Answer them by saying, when you do. If they ask, when will my life change? Answer them, when you do. Your life will only change when you do change. You agree with me? Without changing, your life will not change. And that is where personal development comes in. So we need to start working on ourselves, and that is really one of the biggest benefits I got from Neolife and from Eagle Team is working on myself. Because I don't know whether you were like me, I used to blame everything and everyone. Because of that. But what I realized later is that those are what you call contributing factors. Contributing factors, and those will not determine whether you become successful or not. What determines whether you become successful or not is your determinant factor. I'll explain what I'm trying to say. If you look at all the excuses that we have, the contributing factors are those things that are outside of ourselves that we cannot do anything about it. I'm a single mother and I'm a widow. Can I do anything about that? No. It's already done. You may be going through challenges at home. You don't have support. You are widowed. We are divorced. Whatever challenge it is, all those are outside factors, what I call contributing factors. And do you know why I said they don't determine your success? We can look in this Neolife business, in this room, the Eagle Team family, outside there in life, and we'll see people with even bigger challenges than ours, but they are succeeding. Because those are just outside factors. They are contributing factors. They are not the determinant factor. Like they say, life is 10% what happens to you and 90% how you react to it. So that's why it is very important that we begin to look at a determinant factor. The fact that we're born poor is not a determinant for a success. So what brings change? For us to really get to our success and go for what we believe we want to achieve, we need to look at ourselves and build ourselves from the inside. The power of a dream, the power of a vision. What is it that you are looking forward to? What is that dream that you have? What is your desire? What is your attitude? What is your belief? Do you have courage? Do you have guts? Those things that are coming from your inside is what I call a determinant factor. Because anybody can have a challenge, but the people that persist, the people that have a vision, the people that know what they want are the ones that become successful. And how do you develop your determinant factor? Through educating yourself. It was through this business, through Eagle Team, that I was taught to read books. Not just novels, but books that build you from the inside. Books that makes you a better person. Books that brings the good out of yourself. And I did not like reading, but now everywhere you go, you'll find me with a book to read. And you change bit by bit because of doing that. It was through the Eagle Team that I learned to listen to CDs, DVDs. Those days you used to listen to cassette tapes. We listened to them so much that we spoke it out because it was changing us on the inside. Another thing is attending functions. You can never come to a function like this and go back the same. You'll be changed on your inside. And those are the things that determine our success. Like the video of this conference function was saying, it's those that go that grow. It's those that attend functions that grow because they learn and they grow. And one thing that I know about growing as you attend, as you read, as you associate with positive people, is that your whole demeanor changes. When you are a negative person, you become positive. When you are a crooked person, everything you are cutting corners, you become a person of integrity. That's when you realize that something is changing. When something happens, it doesn't cover up your whole mind. I remember, like Charlie always used to tell us, that if you have a small mind and you have a flat tire, that's all you talk about the whole day. But people that are growing from the inside, they are able to handle things that others are not able to handle. And when you attend functions like this, I believe certain things begin to happen to us from the inside. I'm looking at you from the stage, this whole hall full of wonderful people looking great and all determined. One thing that it does, it helps to increase your believability that it can happen. If it can happen to others, it can also happen to me. Neolife is a company that changes people's lives. As you are going to hear testimonies and other people's stories, that is one of the things that will happen to you. And then the next thing is you'll begin to say, I can also do it. I can. You start to believe that you can. Because there's a big difference. It's one thing to train somebody who do not believe in himself or herself, or who does not believe in himself or herself. If you train and give this person the tools that they need, but they don't have a personal belief that I can do it, it's going to be a waste of time. Get a person who believes that I can do it. If you can get to work with somebody or our downlines to come to a point of level where they can believe I can do it, they will even figure things out for themselves. And that's where personal development comes. So it's for us to grow, it's for us to get to where we want to get. Because without it, we cannot. So as we are here this weekend, it's an opportunity for us to learn and to grow. So that when we get home, our perception would have changed, the way we look at things, the way we talk, the way we think, the way we look towards the future, and just be determined in our inside that it doesn't matter what support I have or what support I don't have, what my downlines are doing or not doing. I am decided that I'm going to make it because you have gotten a believability as you learn and grow that I too can do it. And that is really my prayer for each and every one of us this weekend, that you can go home, not just with knowledge, but with belief that Neolife is a company and I am the one. Amen? Thank you. God bless you.